Assalomu alaykum. Bayramlar muborak bo'lsin. Hello, welcome to a new class, and in this video we will learn how to congratulate each other with celebrations. And today, first we'll learn vocabulary, and then we'll learn how to congratulate people for different occasions. Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. Okay, so the vocabulary and phrases we will need for this lesson are as follows. And the first word we need is bayram. Bayram is holiday, celebration. Or ayyam. Ayyam and bayram are synonyms. So, mubarak, as you know, very popular word. So, and these two together come as a phrase. Later, I'll show you. Okay, bayram, ayyam means holiday or event. Mubarak, congrats. Tabrik is congratulations, is a noun, like what we do when we say things. This is tabrik. Tabrik layman is verb, is an action. I congratulate. Tabrik laymiz, we congratulate. Or another synonym for tabrik lamoq is qutlug bo'lsin. Qutlug bo'lsin. Now I'll read these slowly and you repeat after me. Bayram, bayram, ayyam, ayyam, mubarak, mubarak, tabrik, tabrik, tabrik layman, tabrik layman, tabrik laymiz, tabrik laymiz, qutlug bo'lsin, qutlug bo'lsin, qutlug bo'lsin. Okay, now I will show you the list of universal phrases that you can use for any occasion, right? So our first word was bayram, and bayram mubarak means congratulations with this event. Bayram mubarak, or bayramlar mubarak with row of events, like a number of events. Tabrik layman, tabrik laymiz, bayram mubarak, tabrik laymiz, tabrik layman. And again, tabrik layman is me, tabrik laymiz is we. Mubarak bo'lsin, mubarak bo'lsin. Congratulations. And for example, la 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 bilan, blank bilan means like for this blank, you can put the name of the holiday. And qutlug bo'lsin. So the name of the holiday, qutlug bo'lsin. So these phrases are very universal. You can use them for any occasion. For example, Hayit Mubarak. Tabrik layman. Hayit bilan tabrik layman. You see, it's about Eid, and we are saying Eid Mubarak. I congratulate you with Eid. Okay, so here are some other universal phrases that I would like you to learn, and we usually use them but when we know that very soon we'll have an event to celebrate. And there are two ways to say that. Version number one, kelayotgan bayramlar bilan. Kelayotgan bayramlar bilan. Kelayotgan means upcoming. Kelmoq means to come. Kelayotgan bayramlar bilan. And yaxshi o'tkazib oling. Yaxshi o'tkazib oling. Let your celebrations be spent, be celebrated in a good way. Yaxshi o'tkazib oling. Usually what we do is on celebrations we arrange a really tasty table, we invite guests, and there are some things we do and that they keep us busy and in a good mood. So, yaxshi o'tkazib oling means I wish you to celebrate the event in a good way. O'tkazib oling. Kelayotgan bayramlar bilan yaxshi o'tkazib oling. So, these two also apply to number of events, whether it's birthday, Eid, New Year, or others. So, let's go back to our phrases, universal phrases, read them all again together. And then we'll move on to specific holidays. Bayram Mubarak. Bayram Mubarak. Tabriklayman. Tabriklayman. Bayram muborak. Tabriklayman. Tabriklaymiz. Again, these are verbs and this is just a phrase, but they all mean the same. Muborak bo'lsin. Again, meaning congratulations. And here we input the name of the event. Kelayotgan bayramlar bilan. Kelayotgan bayramlar bilan. Yaxshi o'tkazib oling. Yaxshi o'tkazib oling. The first event in my list is Navruz. Navruz Mubarak. Very easy, very popular. Like I just said, you put a name of the event and you say Mubarak and it's done. There's a longer one which is written also on cards. Navruz ayyomingiz muborak bo'lsin. Navruz ayyomingiz, your Navruz event muborak bo'lsin. Congratulations with your Navruz event. Okay? Navruz ayyomingiz muborak bo'lsin. Navruz ayyomingiz muborak bo'lsin. Navruz bilan tabriklayman. Navruz bilan tabriklayman. Okay, these are the most frequent. And again, we move on to a next event and it will have the same structure. Okay, so as you see, muborak bo'lsin, bilan tabriklayman. They are coming again and again. The next event in our list is New Year. Yangi yil muborak. Again, muborak is here and the name of the event is here. Yangi yil muborak. And earlier I said Navruz muborak. You see? Now, Yangi yil muborak. Yangi yil ayyomi muborak bo'lsin. Navruz ayyomingiz muborak bo'lsin. Here we're specifying your Navruz holiday, your Navruz event. Here we're not specifying. We can say that too. Yangi yil ayyomingiz muborak bo'lsin. Yangi yil ayyomi muborak bo'lsin. So it works both ways. You can specify it's your holiday or not. It will work anyways. Yangi yil bilan tabriklayman. Tabriklayman yangi yil bilan. Yangi yil muborak. Yangi yil ayyomi muborak bo'lsin. Okay, the next in our list is birthday. Now this word is tug'ilgan. Tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan. Tug'ilgan kuningiz muborak bo'lsin. Tavallud topgan kuningiz bilan. Or tavallud ayyomingiz bilan. Tabriklayman. Let's read this again. Tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan. Tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan. Tug'ilgan kuningiz. Tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan. Tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan. Tabriklayman sizni. So you put here a name. Tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan. It works even this way. So, tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan. And ingiz is shortened. Tug'ilgan kuningiz. Tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan. You can hear such version too. Tug'ilgan kuningiz muborak bo'lsin. Tavallud. Tavallud is Farsi. Tavallud topgan kuningiz bilan or tavallud ayyomingiz bilan tabriklayman. It can be just tabriklayman or tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan tabriklayman. So remember, tabriklayman is an action, right? I congratulate you with. With is here. And also on birthday, we can wish something more than just saying happy birthday. We can say, let your dreams come true. I wish you long life and health. And I decided to give you this too in case you need that. So, orzu is dream. Orzularingiz ushalsin. Orzularingiz ushalsin. Or orzularis ushalsin. Niyatlaringizga yeting. Niyat is also like intention or dream. And yetmoq is to achieve intentions or dreams. Orzularingiz ushalsin. Let your dreams come true. Let your intentions to be achieved. Orzularingiz ushalsin. Niyatlaringizga yeting. Sizga uzoq umr, sog'lik, salomatlik tilayman. Sizga uzoq umr, sog'lik, salomatlik tilayman. Tilayman is I wish. Sizga uzoq umr, sog'lik, salomatlik tilayman. Orzularingiz ushalsin. Niyatlaringizga yeting. Okay, I know if you are hearing or seeing it for the first time, it will take you more repetition than I'm just doing once or twice. If you need, pause the video, go back and do it again. Do it again. Okay, and you can record my reading on a voice recorder and play it again and again, so you can listen to it and work on your pronunciation. There are other ways, many ways, but I'm not doing our long video. I mean, the video is not so long. I'm hoping you know how to prolong it, right? You have your own strategy. Okay, I'll read this one more time and we will move on. So when it's someone's birthday, we say tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan, tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan, tug'ilgan kuningiz muborak bo'lsin, tug'ilgan kuningiz muborak bo'lsin, tavallud topgan kuningiz bilan, tavallud ayyomlaringiz bilan, tabriklayman, tabriklayman. Orzularingiz ushalsin, niyatlaringizga yeting. Orzularingiz ushalsin, niyatlaringizga yeting. Sizga uzoq umr, sog'lik, salomatlik tilayman. And if you are wishing good wishes to a family, you can also say dasturxoningizga. Dasturxon is a tablecloth, which means table, and it's served. Dasturxoningizga baraka. Oilangizga tinchlik, sog'lik, salomatlik tilayman. So this is a little bit complicated, and if the previous slides were okay for you, you can learn this one. If this is too much, then just listen, but don't learn, and learn it later. Dasturxoningizga, dasturxoningizga baraka, oilangizga tinchlik, sog'lik, salomatlik tilayman. I wish you, your family, prosperity, peace, and health. Okay? Reading it one more time. Dasturxoningizga baraka, oilangizga tinchlik, sog'lik, salomatlik tilayman. You can just say sog'lik or sog'lik, salomatlik, or one of these, doesn't matter. Together they mean health, and each of them means separately health too. And this is also, if you are familiar with previous slides and previous phrases, you can take this too. Someone has been promoted, and this is what we can say. Martabangiz ulug' bo'lsin. Martabangiz ulug' bo'lsin. Which means may your status to be even greater. Or bardavom bo'lsin, keti uzilmasin. Bardavom bo'lsin, keti uzilmasin. Let it continue. Let it be continuous. Right? So the promotion of someone to be continuous and never ending. Bardavom bo'lsin, keti uzilmasin. And just wishing luck. Ishlaringizga omad. I wish you luck. Ishlaringizga omad. And this we know that can be applied not only here, right? It's also universal. So far, we have covered these aspects. And let me know what you think about this short lesson. I really wanted you to have these phrases when you are not really fluent in Uzbek, but you still want to say, hello, happy holidays, I wish you good celebrations, and etc. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. Like bosishni albatta esdan chiqarmang. Ibrat farzandlari loyihasiga obuna bo'ling va keyingi darsda uchrashguncha xayr. Bayramlarni yaxshi o'tkazib oling.